na magkakaroon ng sequel to Hello, Love, Goodbye. So when they told me about it just this year, after I did A Very Good Girl and all, my next assignment talaga supposedly is Elena. But then may mga kailangan pang paghandaan for Elena. And then, yan, may mga, nangyari. And then, naging totoo. Ito na, nandito tayo lahat for Hello, Love again. So, it feels very familiar, but at the same time, it's different this time because it's been 5 years. And 5 years is such a long time.
Dami na nangyari.
Yeah, I've changed. I think we all did. Lahat tayo nagbago. And I'm just curious kung ano yung mabibigay namin this time around. Because when we shot HLG, I was just 23. And then now, I just turned 28. So yung 5 years na yun, ano yung nangyari sa growth namin personally, and of course, kung ano naman yung magiging growth when it comes to Ethan and Joy. So, ang daming tinatansya pa namin.